We are here on this amazing day. Okay everyone, this is Cam Jones FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Okay everyone, we are checking out USD, DKK, the Danish krone. Let's take a look. Let's see what's going on with the market. Let's grab our red marker. Let's start our market structure. So the market started off very small here. Wow. 1971. Been out for a very long time. So market started off 1971 here, went to a drop. Formation. I see a formation. It was trying to do a double bottom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a double bottom. So the retest was trying to happen here for that push up, but it's consolidated all the way sideways. So this is an area of support. And you see how clean it lines up the other side. That's the area of resistance. So the market consolidated and then it dropped to the area of support, and then it dropped lower through the support, create new areas of lower lows. And that's actually a formation right here, and I'm going to go back. So there's a formation here. It has to go to first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, formation, double bottom. After double bottom, the retest happens. It's the retest, came back to that support. The market pushed right back up. When the market pushed up, it broke through an area of resistance, came and retested somewhere in there, and then it came up, broke through another area of resistance, came back to retest the area of support from previous years. So once we had that double formation of the double bottom, retest happened, 1 push, 2 push, and then we got 3, and we got 4 pushes to the top. That's 4 pushes to the top. So the market went to new areas of high highs where the market has ever been, I think. And this possibly back in 1985 or February of 1985. So right here we see the railroad tracks, the bearish candles, which is the red one, is overlapping on the downside of the bullish candle, which is the green one. So once we see that major pattern here, we'll take the entry and it'll take us down for that sell. So that's 1 push, 2, 3, all the way back to the bottom. It broke through areas of 1, 2, 3, 4. Broke this area here, it broke this area here, and it broke this area here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Went all the way back down to 7 levels, and this is the lowest low, and it bounced around in here, just consolidated back and forth, pushed back up through that support, pushed back up through that resistance. So right now I got a major area right here, and this is the triple top. So what the market did right here was it came here, it pushed up once, wasn't able to break, pushed up twice, wasn't able to break, pushed up 3 times, wasn't able to break, and then the market fell. So we see that triple top. It almost looked like it was a double bottom, which could have been a retest to push up, but it didn't, and it came down, turned to a triple top. Market pushed right back down to previous areas, or lower low. This is not previous areas. This is the lowest the market has ever been so far, and this is back in April of 08. Major drop, 08 recession. From there, this is a major area of lowest lows, support, and we have an area of resistance, and we can see that market consolidated back and forth, so we would have been buying and selling here in the market. The retest happened here within somewhere in this middle, and then we got the push up, broke up through the resistance. Once the market broke up through the resistance, it went to another channel and it just tried to break. One touch the resistance, two touch, three touch, wasn't able to break at all. We got that three touches, 1, 2, 3, wasn't a break, came back down to the bottom of that support, touched once, wasn't able to break, twice, created enough momentum, and that's a formation. I see a double bottom, the retest happened here, and the market pushed right back up to that area of resistance, and then the market fell right back down to that support, and there's something forming here. I actually can see it, but it's not fully formed. We don't know if it's going to fully form, but it looked like price is trying to head back up to the top. So before I move too fast, let's identify. So we identify market structure, and now let's take a look to identify the overall trend in the market. Erasing our blue markups. We're going to head over to price action. Price action is the last candle. So that's last candle's price action. If you trade in the Forex market, it's open Monday through Friday. If you trade in options, it's weekends with binary. So right here, so to figure out the overall trend, we know that the market was in the lowest lows of April of 08, and it reached new level, not new levels, but went up to higher highs back in January 17th and got a little bit of dip, and now we trying to see that overall trend. So the overall trend looks like an uptrend. So we grab somewhere here, we'll pull okay, we pull up there. So also I see a pattern. I think I see a pattern. I'm going to demonstrate it right here. So what I see is the market pushed down. This is the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. And what do we see? Formation of a W. It could be pushed up a little more with that fourth leg. And then we should be looking for a retest, and the market's going to push up higher. And if it breaks this level, it's going to head up here. If not, it'll probably drop right back down to our trend line. If it respects it, go back up. If not, it'll break through it and it'll go to the next level down. So what we're going to do is we're going to create our SR lines to figure out what's going on in the market. The way we're going to do that is we're going to look for price action, which is last green candle. We're going to look for what's price is trying to break. So we see, look over to the left, price is trying to break this inverted peak right here. Go back to price action, find that lowest low, which would be right here. Price is trying to break this inverted peak right here, as same as this. If we go back to price action and we look for the next level for it to go up, will be this peak right here. And if we go to the weekly time frame, see if we can add SR lines, do a top-down analysis. We're looking for peaks, and that would be, so inverted right here. You got a, no, excuse me, we got a peak right here. Spread this out. So we got a peak right there. We have an inverted peak right here, and over here too. We have another inverted peak here, which respects the peaks here, and we probably have one more. I want to zoom in a little bit. There's another inverted peak here. There's something going on in here. I can see that with these wicks that's touching. So Click on. It could be something here. I see down the time frame. It looks fine, but just to play it safe. Yeah, it does. Yep, it was something here. So create our SR lines, and they got one more. We got that inverted right there, and that will be it. So we have grabbed our SR line, so we're looking for the pattern. So we did see on the earlier time frame, we did see some type of pattern that was forming, which was a double bottom, and we looking for the retest. And now we're on this time frame. Now let's see if everything looks clear. And here we go right here. So this will be the formation. This will be the first leg. It goes down to this wick, comes back up here. Second leg, third leg. Oh, something not right. Something not right. Hold on. Again, it's confused. Hold on. First leg, second leg. Then it came back down. Got it. Third leg, fourth leg. Came back for that retest, but when the retest came, it actually stopped right here, and then the market pushed up. So 1, 2, 3. Look like more like a triple bottom than a more double bottom. Well, you can see the concept: double bottom, triple top, double bottom or triple bottom equals to a retest, which would give the market to push right back up to previous areas of higher highs. So now we'll be looking for that push after this area here. So if we go down the time frame, so we do know, let's grab our rectangle. We're going to grab the highest high here, we're going to slow here. We're going to grab a little bit to the left, and we're going to draw it straight down. So whatever's going to happen is going to form right here. So I can tighten it up real small. Man, in fact, let me make it smaller, because if we look down lower, you'll probably see it a little differently. So if I bring it right here, so I'm trying to target that retest area right here. See if we can take a look down at the lower time frame to see if we see a pattern. Hey, perfect. There's a pattern. There's a pattern, everyone. There's a pattern. Beautiful, beautiful. You know it's not just talk. So what we see is the formation is a double bottom. So that's the retest. So the market did a double bottom here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retested something in here, pushed up higher, and now we're going to see that other first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Now we're looking for a retest somewhere in this area, and then the market is probably going to shoot up higher. So we can see that the market is clearly trying to reach areas of higher highs. So just to recap that real quick, when we was on the higher time frame, this rectangle was a retest, and when we went to the lower time frame, it became a double bottom. And we know at the double bottom, we'll be looking for a retest, and we're looking for the push up to new areas, higher highs. So the trade is not on right now. This is not a trade. This is if the market does go in this direction, because we didn't see the retest yet. Let's say if we found entry here where price is at, and we take it, so we have an idea that price is trying to return to our high highs, so we can take it. I would take this, we can take this out of our zone box into the next area, which would be right here. And let's say we have to find something for the low. It's a long wick. Okay, so for me with this, so if I wanted to play this safe, this will be my trade. The target, what is this? 6647.7, and the stop on a low will be 2422.7, which would be an amazing move for USD DKK. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for attention. Oh yeah, guys, and don't forget to identify what's going on with this trade, please go to Google, type in Forex pattern cheat sheets. That's Forex pattern cheat sheets. Go to images, go through all the images. You don't have to remember what you see. Excuse me. You don't have to remember what the names of the pattern is. All you have to do is remember what you see, and then you go back to this rectangle. The pattern will form. You'll see the entry. You're taking in that direction. You in the trade. Thank you.